History is written in stone, but it is felt through the human face.
Our journey begins with a one-to-one digital twin. We scan every crevice of the skull to understand the foundation of the soul.
Using forensic data, we determine the age, origin, and unique structural features of the individual.
Science guides our hands. We place standardized markers to dictate the exact thickness of the future muscle and skin.
We don't just pour, we sculpt. We use a high-density silicone to mimic the underlying musculature.
We rebuild the face fiber by fiber, following the natural attachment points on the bone.
The eyes are the windows to history. We handcraft each iris to match historical descriptions.
For the dermal layer, we use our translucent heritage silicone to allow light to penetrate just like real skin.
This final pour bridges the gap between a statue and a person.
Pressure and time. The same forces that create history now create our art.
A face forgotten by time, seen once again in the light of the present.
We paint with history in mind, adding the marks of a lived life.
Using our micro-pore technology, we ensure the skin breathes with historical accuracy.
Every hair is punched manually, following the natural growth patterns of the original era.
Costume meets craft. We use period-correct fabrics to complete the transformation.
A signature of quality for the world's most prestigious museums.
We don't just guess, we verify. Our results are cross-referenced with every available historical record.
In the right light, the boundary between then and now disappears.
Where high-tech manufacturing meets the wisdom of the past.
Facial recognition, 98.4% match with portrait.
Apex process. Bringing the legends of history back to life.
No detail is too small when you are preserving a legacy.
Our creations are built to last, preserving history for future generations. Anatomically perfect from every angle.
Even the dental work reflects the diet and era of the Reconstruction.
We feel the weight of the past in every project we complete.
Realism so deep, you expect them to speak.
A little more to the left.
It's in.
Securing the clamps. Stand back.
Apex process. The bridge between eras.
Witness the resurrection.
We use the tools of tomorrow to honor the lives of yesterday. Time is a distance we have learned to close. Apex process. Manufacturing immortality.